Hello everybody and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing a DMP security system, or really all of the individual parts of the security system. So I received the parts for the system from a security company that's a DMP dealer, which is going to be left undisclosed for this video. So anyhow, let's just get right into it. So first, let's open the box. Okay. So suppose I'll probably unbox one of the, the biggest box that I see first. So let's just read the label of it right there. Yeah, it's a touch LCD keypad. So let's just go ahead and open it up. A 9800 series graphic touchscreen keypad. And here it is right here. All right. Here's the power supply for it. Let's just keep moving on. So, yeah, the next biggest box I see here. It is a smoke detector, and it sounds like, well, it looks like it has a sounder on it too. Let's open this up. It's got the dust cover on it and everything. Yeah, let's just get a quick view at it. See what it looks like without the dust cover. Okay. So yeah, that is the smoke detector. Next, let's open this one. Or let's read the label, of course. Wireless siren. Alright, yeah. This is what the siren looks like. Something else fell out of the box when I opened it. Oh, okay. I think it was the batteries for it, actually. And some mounting hardware, screws. Okay. And here we have the LTE cellular communicator. I'm actually curious to see what this looks like. I didn't unbox the power supply because I think we all know what probably the power supply looks like. It's just a plug-in transformer. Another difficult one to get open. Okay, never mind. I'm just overthinking it. Okay, yeah. So, here's a LTE communicator. It's a little circuit board. And here's the antenna for it. All still wrapped in the anti-static bag. And yeah, here's part of the manual for it. Okay. Let's see, what's next? Okay. Next we have, it says a wireless PIR. Let me zoom in because that's a little hard to read probably. But yeah, wireless PIR right there. It's a motion sensor. Let's open that up. Battery, of course. Some mounting hardware right here. And here is the actual detector. I guess let me pull out its manual too. Yep. So here's a glimpse of the manual for it right there. wireless universal transmitter. I believe these are actually the door / window contacts. And I have 4 of these things. Yep. Yep, these are door / window contacts. More batteries. Well, I don't think that's a battery actually. That was right next to the battery. More hardware for it. Sticky pads, or I guess adhesive is a better word for that. More mounting hardware, and then here's the actual unit itself. And more adhesive in the box too. And yeah, like I said, so I actually have 4 of those things total. So yeah, just the same exact thing. And I have 4 of them. These are the other 3. Okay. Okay. And then here we have, it's a wireless temperature / water sensor. So, like an environmental sensor. And I guess we don't need to unpackage because it's just clear packaging. So that's what it looks like. I think I actually have, yep, I got a couple of those. Cool stuff. And then pretty much the last thing that I see in the box is this big one right here. Yeah, it says XTL Plus Wi-Fi plus Z-Wave. Let's open this up. So yeah, I believe this is actually the base station unit right here. The brains of the system. Yep, so this is it right here. Now, inside you see mounting hardware, and you see a power supply for it right there. Alright, well, it looks like we've unpackaged all of the contents of this package. So yeah, this video was just mainly intended to be an unboxing, not so much a demonstration. So I do actually plan to make videos in the future, probably a series, hopefully documenting the installation of this product. But anyway, yeah, that's going to conclude the unboxing of all this. So thank you guys all for watching, and hope to catch you in the future videos. Peace out.